And of course, this incident happened in retirement in St. James. Meanwhile, Executive Director of Human Rights Group Jamaicans for Justice JFJ, Mickel Jackson, is renewing calls for the police to be equipped with body-worn cameras, especially when going on planned operations.
It's important that we join the call in the government advancing and fast-tracking the procurement process of the body-worn cameras, and importantly, having the body-worn cameras utilized in these tactical and planned operations.
She noted that 153 persons have been killed by the police since the start of the year. That figure is 8 more than the same stage last year in 2025. But given that 311 persons were killed in 2025, the highest in 15 years, she's questioning how lawmen will end the year.
Be alarming if it is you had the same account being given by citizens and police officers, but that is not the case. What you have in several of these instances is that the citizens' account of events differ from that of the police officers.
Now, still to come this evening, 9 people in mandatory self-quarantine locally after traveling to Ebola-affected countries. And in business news, fuel prices mixed on Thursday. We'll be right back.